Hello friends, today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making bouncing ball art. To complete this craft you will need white cardstock paper, orange paint, a round foam brush, a black Sharpie marker. Here's what you'll do. First, use the round brush to make several orange circles on your paper. Allow to dry. Once the paint is dry, use your Sharpie marker to draw curved lines on the circle to make them look like basketballs. Next, add dashed lines to each ball to make it look like they are bouncing. Ta-da! Here is the finished basketball art. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!